Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Salin Joroge. So basically, I just set the camera and I started admiring myself. Like, I really love this black dress. Yes. Anyway, let's get to the video. So this is an unboxing video, and here I was trying to show the sufurias that I have been using, and surprisingly I have been having just one sufuria. So let's get into unboxing the new set. Before we start unboxing, I just want to let you know that these sufurias, like the most surprising bit is that it is a chama where I used to contribute 100 shillings every day. That is 700 shillings every week. So it's an online group. Like, I don't know anyone in the group. I just decided to risk, and surprisingly they delivered. So let's unbox. Honestly speaking, I've never interacted with such kind of cookware before, and I am so excited. So let's unbox together. In my mind, I think it's Granite. I can't remember the name of the company, but let's get into the unboxing. My partner was right there trying to help me record and something. Yeah, so basically let's get into the unboxing.
Sila kurekodi ya?
Okay. What? Unafaa ndio unakuja wewe ndio unanishow. Thank you. I'm so excited. So let me bring you people closer so that like we can see the cookware clearly. Yeah, so basically let's get to it. So the first the tops, the covers, or the sufuria covers, they looked as so. Okay, they looked as though it was glass and silicone on the sides, so that so that in case the cover falls, or the top of the sufuria falls, I don't know what to call it. I think I can call it just a sufuria cover, so that when it falls, it does not break since the cover is glass. Surprisingly, the reason I looked a bit excited and astonished at the same time is because they were so light, very light. Oh God. Yani, we can't like record in peace. Anyway, they were so light. In my mind, I thought they would be heavy because I like just had that perception in my mind that they should be heavy. They were so light. Yes.
I can tell you want me. Turn it up, turn it up. I can show you how. Take it out, take it out.
Yeah, so they were actually four sufurias in total, from the smallest to the biggest. And let me tell you guys, you see this sufuria that I'm holding, it too big. It was the biggest, and I was just smiling because I knew I was not going to use it. Maybe in future, maybe later. I don't know. It's too big. Like, it's very, very big. So they, as I said, they were four sufurias and one cooking pan. So I really, really loved the set. As you can see, the top of the sufurias, I don't know, should I call them sufuria or cookware? I really don't know, but the top of the sufuria, like, everything was just like not put together. So it had its things that my partner was basically teaching me or showing me how to put together, so that I can put the sufuria tops together. Okay, let me basically just show you like what I was learning to do. Yeah, so imagine right now it's when I'm loading that I should basically call them leads. I'm here with Sofaria tops, whatever, but basically they are leads. I don't know what to call these things that I'm trying to put together, but definitely they have a name. But I don't know what the name is, but what I'm doing is basically just putting those things together so that my leads can have like handles. And since I'm recording like this voice note way later, after I've like used the sufurias, I can say that the handle that I'm actually fixing, it does not like conduct. Is it really conducting? I don't know. I don't want to complicate myself, but it does not get hot. Basically, I think it's because of the glass, which does not conduct heat, of course. Another thing I've noticed about them, as I said, they are so light. Another thing is that I'm really trying to be careful with them because I don't know whether they can break. I really don't know, but it is giving me like such kind of vibe that this sufuria, it can fall down and actually it can break. Okay, just to clear the air, I said I had one sufuria, which is true. I used to cook with that one sufuria and a pressure, sorry, and a pressure cooker. Yes, I never had pressure because I've been cooking food for just two people. I just felt like those were enough until I was ready to get like a set, a cookware set. Yeah, so I don't know, maybe someone might be interested in joining that chama. First, I don't want to like refer you directly. The reason I don't want to do that is because I don't know these people like I really don't know them. It's just an online kind of thing. So I would highly recommend on Instagram, check out Bree households. Yes, and then maybe when they post a link there, you can be able to join. If you don't even like need to join that one, there are many. If you ask around, I'm sure. I also know people who do that directly. It's just that the time they were starting, I was not ready, and this time I was like, you know what, let me just risk anyway. So with that said, I also wanted to mention about setting these sufurias before using them. So I'm basically just going to mention like how I set them. I did set them. I took like each sufuria. I smeared oil on it and then I put it on the heat or on the meko whatever, and until the oil burnt. After that, I just wiped the sufurias and they were just ready to go. So this moment I just want to thank whoever they sell things online and we pay and they deliver. I really want to appreciate you guys because where Nairobi can show you fire. So imagine I don't know this chama, I don't know anyone, I just send money and it was delivered. That is so efficient and make it like it's so efficient and also it helps make our work so easy. Yeah, so here I was done. Those are the four sufurias. I tried to link the not the handle for the pan and I was unable to. It was a bit complicated than the rest. I took it definitely to my partner. I was watching football so that he can connect it for me. And here I was back. It was done like it was looking so good. And I did one thing that messed me. I was trying to like show you people the sufurias and the pan at the same time. And guess what? Yes. Before that, this was what I was using before. Yes, so that chama really changed this for me and I really appreciate. But so far so good. I've used the sufurias for like 2 weeks now and I can assure you that they are good. They don't stick. So as I was telling you guys, I was trying to like hold the sufurias and the pans at the same time and the pan. And guess what happened? When I was trying to do this, um, actually, one pan, like the lid of the pan, it fell down, and actually, it broke. It broke. Imagine. Like it never broke like the glass part. It broke like the granite part. So that's why I've been a bit so careful with the sufferers because damn it broke. And that really broke my heart. I never even told my partner if he's going to watch this video. I don't know, but it broke because of YouTube. Imagine broke when it was new. Anyway, so guys, that's it from me. See you on my next video. Actually consider subscribing, leave me a comment, like my video, share my video. Basically let me know what you think about this particular video. At this juncture I was just mad. I was like, no, if I was not recording it couldn't have broken and so, but I healed. Yes, I healed. It broke and it can't be mended by the way. But the good thing, another an extra lead would have been used in this particular pan. So bye guys, bye.